Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in today's tutorial we are going to see how to add logos and how to add some animated effects using Photoshop. This is the video that we were working on since last 3 days I guess. And in yesterday's tutorial we worked on with adding the audio track, and after listening to the actual video I realized that the audio was not quite clear and it was not very understandable, so I'm not adding audio in this particular video. So we are just continuing from this part where two videos were merged and a fade effect was applied, where I just added a black background so that the fade doesn't give that pixels effect. Now what I want to do is just I want to add my logo in this top right hand corner over here which says 52 pixels, and then further what I want to do is just add a rectangular shape over here in which I'll have my text written, that is 52 pixels, and I want to animate that, which is like it will be coming from this side, it will stop over here, and for 2 seconds it will stop, and then again it will slide back out. So I just want to do that using Photoshop. So to start working on it, what we can do is just tap on this plus icon over here, and we can just add this logo, which is my 52 pixels logo. But as you can see, it has been added with the videos. So if I just play the video from here, what you will see is that this video ends, and then you will be able to see my logo, even which is like in a big size. But I just don't want to do that. What I want is that I want the logo to be over here in the right hand corner. So to do that, what I can do is just go to this layers panel over here where I have this video group 1 created. So it is automatically created, I haven't created it as such. This is the video group where I have this video and the logo, but I just want this logo to be outside of this one so that I can place it on top of these two. So to do that, what I will do is just I'll take this out and I'll drag it on top of this video group so that it is out of the video group 1 and it is its own separate layer. Now make sure that the logo is on the top, because if the logo layer is underneath all these layers, what will happen is you won't be able to see that, and it's just a basic Photoshop logic which we have been learning throughout since almost like last 125 tutorials. So that's what we are going to do. Now using that Photoshop knowledge, we know that if we want to make this logo look prominent, we should make it at the top, because that should be the topmost layer. Now to work around with this, I'll just drag it towards the left from the point where my frame starts, and I'll just drag it all the way towards the right till the video ends. So this is going to stay intact, but I don't want the size to be so big, so I'll just drag this point and I'll make it a little smaller, or I can just press Ctrl plus T to scale it down. Now after scaling it down, I can just place it in this particular corner where I wanted to place it. Now as you can, I can just work around by playing the video, and this logo is going to stay intact till the end of the video, and it is going to be at this particular spot. Now there is no disturbance to the video as it is in the corner, and secondly it has a transparent background, so it didn't interfere much with the video. So it just looks like a circle logo at the corner of the video. But now what I want to do is just add a rectangular box over here in which the text says 52 pixels, and I want to animate it that it's coming from this side. It will stay in the right hand region for some seconds, and then again it's going to fade back out in the right hand side. So to do that, what I can do is just tap on this plus icon over here, and by default this layer 3 has been shifted at the top of layer of logo, so that is particularly good for us. Now using this layer 3, what I can do is just add a shape. So I'll just go to the shapes column and I'll add a shape of my need, which is of size somewhat like this. Now the color is filled as black color. I'm fine with black color. If you want to change, you can just go to properties tab and you can change the color, you can change the roundedness of the edges, and you can work around with the other details of this particular shape. Now that I want to add the text, I just tap on this text icon and wherever I feel right, I'll just type the text as 52 pixels. Now that I've typed the text, again just like Photoshop basics, I'll just drag it, I'll just scale it up so that it looks big, and I'll just place it inside this box. So now as you can see, the shape with the text has been added over here, but the problem is not yet solved. So what we can do is just I'll select these two layers. So I'll just press and hold the shift key and I'll select these two layers. I can just right click on this menu icon, left click on the menu icon, I'm sorry. So after left clicking on the menu icon, I have the option called as merge layers. I'll just merge the layers. Now I have got this single layer. What I can do is I'll just drag this towards the left from where the video is starting exactly. So now as you can see, this is just going to stay over here, and if I play the video, the logo is in the corner and the text with the shape is over here in this particular corner. And as the time frame ends, the text goes away, but the logo still stays till the end of the video. Now that I said, I want to animate this text by dragging it in and again dragging it out after the frame ends. So for that, what we can do is just select this layer, and as this layer is selected, you can just tap on this arrow and new properties will get opened where I have the option for position, opacity and style. So I can increase or decrease the opacity for this layer, which I want to do, but I currently won't do it in this tutorial. We are going to work with opacity and other stuff in some next tutorial, maybe tomorrow's tutorial. Today we are just going to work with the animation of that particular text. So what we can do is just I'll drag it out first. So I'll just take the video, you can say the timer to 0, so that the video is starting from 0. Now I'll just drag this out from the frame completely, and I'll just tap on this timer icon of position. So once I tap on this timer, what happens is that a keyframe is added over here. As you can see, this you can say kite shaped or a rhombus shaped time frame has been added over here. And now that the position is out, what I can do is just drag this timer and I can just take it at the center over here. Now I can just drag this in completely. So I've dragged the text and the shape inside the main video, and as you can see over here, we have got a new keyframe which has the text inside this one. You won't be able to notice that until you practice it, but these are the two time frames. So this time frame said that the text is out. Now this time frame says that the text is in. I'll just take it a little ahead, just a little bit, somewhat over here, and I'll just place it once again over here itself. So now the third time frame says that it is still over here, but it has just slowly started going outside once again. And now I'll take it towards the end of this frame, and now I'll just take it out completely once again. Now as you can see, again a keyframe has been added over here. Now to see the complete effect happening, what we can do is just take the timer back to 0 and I'll just play the video. So as you can see, the text came in very smoothly. It stopped for a second and then started gliding back out once again. But the logo is still intact and nothing has harmed our video or the logo, just the text is just coming in and going out. So that creates a smooth transition between the interacting layers, that are the text layer, the logo layer and the overall video. And of course, if there is an audio file as well, even that would work. Now I can increase or decrease the timing for this particular text, but I don't want to do that because I just want it to be at the start as an introduction. Now I can just play the complete video and you can see the changes. So the text came in and went out, the logo is still there at the corner and the video is playing. Now I'll check it over here. Now the two videos will merge and it will fade out with the black background, and the next video is going to start, but the logo is still intact and the text didn't come this way because it has been ended over here itself. So today, as you can see, we learned how to animate, not animate we can say, but yeah, how to animate a movement of some text or a shape, how to add a logo and work around with the layers, and also we have learned how to work with the keyframes to make the animation happen. So well, that's it for today guys. If you found the video to be helpful, please like the video, and in case of any queries or suggestions, please feel free to reach out to me through the comment. With that being said, it's me Agarwal signing off for today. See you in the next one. Thank you.